Welcome to Quick Particulars.
This video take a peek into the evolution of smartphone manufacturing and recent technologies that has emerged in recent years within this field of smartphone manufacturing. In the ever-evolving world of technology, few inventions have revolutionized our lives as profoundly as the smartphone. As an indispensable part of our daily routines, smartphones have become powerful tools for communication, entertainment, and productivity. Behind the sleek designs and sophisticated features lies a fascinating journey of manufacturing advancements and technological breakthroughs. In this video, we'll delve into the world of smartphone manufacturing, exploring the remarkable strides that have been made in this field. 1.
Miniaturization, the birth of the pocket computer.
One of the most remarkable aspects of smartphone manufacturing is the ongoing trend of miniaturization. From the bulky and brick-like devices of the past, smartphones have evolved into sleek, pocket-sized computers. This transformation has been made possible by advancements in semiconductor technology, enabling the production of smaller and more powerful processors, memory chips, and sensors. As a result, smartphones are now capable of performing complex tasks that were once reserved for desktop computers.
2. Display technology, from LCD to OLED.
The display is an integral component of any smartphone, and over the years, there have been significant advancements in this area. Early smartphones featured LCD, liquid crystal display, screens, but with the advent of organic light-emitting diode, OLED, technology, smartphone displays underwent a transformative upgrade.
OLED displays offer deeper blacks, vibrant colors, and improved energy efficiency compared to their LCD counterparts.
Furthermore, the flexible nature of OLED panels has paved the way for innovative designs such as curved screens and foldable smartphones.
3. Camera technology, the rise of mobile photography.
Smartphone cameras have come a long way since the early days of low-resolution images. Today, smartphones boast high-resolution sensors, multiple lenses, and advanced image processing algorithms. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, has brought about features like portrait mode, night mode, and computational photography, allowing users to capture stunning photos and videos. The ongoing rivalry between smartphone manufacturers to develop the best camera system has led to continuous improvements in this area, making mobile photography a mainstream phenomenon.
4. Connectivity, bridging the world.
Smartphones have transformed the way we connect with the world around us. From the introduction of 3G to the widespread adoption of 4G LTE, each generation of cellular connectivity has brought faster data speeds, improved call quality, and expanded coverage. Today, 5G networks are being deployed worldwide, promising even greater speeds, lower latency, and increased capacity. The advent of 5G will not only enhance our smartphone experience but also fuel the development of new technologies such as augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and the Internet of Things, IoT.
5. Battery technology, powering us through the day.
The growing capabilities of smartphones require more efficient and long-lasting batteries. While battery technology has seen incremental improvements, there is still much room for advancement. Manufacturers are exploring various options, including solid-state batteries, graphene-based batteries, and fast-charging technologies. These advancements aim to address the perennial challenge of battery life and ensure that smartphones can endure the demands of our increasingly connected lives. Smartphone manufacturing has witnessed remarkable technological advancements over the years. From miniaturization to display technology, camera capabilities, connectivity, and battery life, every aspect of smartphones has undergone continuous improvement. The relentless pursuit of innovation by manufacturers has propelled smartphones from mere communication devices to indispensable companions that enrich our lives. As we look to the future, emerging technologies such as foldable screens, AI-driven experiences, biometric authentication, and sustainable manufacturing practices promise to shape the next chapter of smartphone manufacturing. Exciting times lie ahead as the smartphone continues to evolve and redefine our expectations, enabling us to navigate an ever-connected world with ease and convenience. Thanks for watching.